Spice. Spice? Let me tell you something. Me love Spice. Me love Spice because Spice fun. Spice, she's not a troublemaker. When people trouble her, she not afraid to go out there on them. Because Spice is a Leo. And for most people when me know as Leo, them speak their mind, them speak how them feel, them express themselves. Sometimes how them come off might hurt people, but if you don't go for them not come for you. That much me know. Me love Spice until yesterday me there home. And when me there home and me I do some schoolwork, some class, me I do one course. So the video I play and me there I take notes. Basically the whole day me there on it. Yesterday, me decide to block everybody. So my phone up on silent, but me could have see it light up. So me look, me see my friend a call me. She say, me never answer. She call me again. She say, you know, see your artist in a coma. So me say, what you talk about? She say, yes, your artist in a coma. Me say, Spice? She say, yes. Them say she do cosmetic it. No, I can't call it. My tongue too heavy. She do her body and them say she in a coma. So me say, you know, son, everything out there you have to believe. That is what me say. But at the same time it's like my heart drop down out of my chest. Because what people don't understand, you know, they might not know you, you know, but you are a fan of them, you know, and you love them. So once you love them, you're going to feel a certain way, and that's my love Spice. I'm not going to lie to you, my love Spice. I support her. And let me say support her means a fan, where we buy our album or, you know, buy our grassing or outfit or something. Me support Spice. Me is a Spice supporter. One time I see Spice downtown in a Coronation Market and I say Spice and she yell me loud. She don't know me. You know? So just to show you, she a Leo, she friendly. And she have good heart, you know? Everybody have them ways, but at the same time, I don't know. But me hear say our team come out and say, and everything we hear upon media as well, as me say it, we feel believe. And me not telling a lie. This morning me I go up on the road and I feel some way because nobody no really come out and say, alright, she never in a coma, but obviously there's something wrong with her. And that made me start to think last night about our children, them, our sister, our mother. These people are very close to her. Not just that, but everybody, our fans, them will love her and adore her, you know. Sometimes when I see them on the internet, I bash her, boy, I just shake my head and come off for some of the video them because sometimes them do her so bad that them forgot to share human. And you know, this whole heap of negativity out there where pan her all the time, and you know, sometimes them something they just help hold down people and people wish all kind of things here, you know. So I feel it, but now I gotta tell her no lie. Spice I'm a G, she don't know me, but me love Spice. I mean, me is a people person, me love people, you know, but me love Spice. I always say me want Spicy come perform on one of my birthday, where me I go book her for one of my birthday, one of them day. Maybe not next year, what to tell when things turn, because Spice money big, you know. But at the same time, that is it, you know. This is how I feel. Like I feel so sad this morning. Me I go out, I feel so down because me not really hear if she alright really. She do the surgery, anything can happen. In a coma, you know, at least our life not gone. But you know, me I pray this morning. I wake up and me read Me get an alert from, and you know me hear Spice say what they say. She get an alert on her phone at daytime. I have an alert on my phone, you know, where me supposed to remember for pray, you know. When me hear she says so what they she da talk in a one hour video them for Instagram. And when she said that, I say, shucks, you know, Spice really allow me, you know. Maybe that's why I love Spice. So. Well, not maybe, but Spice, me just love her vibes, you know. But when she said that, what day, I say, shucks. So this morning, when me get my alert on my phone for prayer, I dedicate my prayer. I always a pray for my family and my friends them. I dedicate my prayer this morning to Spice and just hope say she get well. Spice is such a beautiful black girl, you know. And one thing me ever disagree with Spice, and that is something where me just got talk, is that me know say she do her body, which her bottom, because it's obvious. But I wish she never do it so big. That's my only issue when I have with her. I wish she never do it so big and carry her down. That's the only issue. I have no issue with her. I wish she never. It's okay for her to do her body. Me would have do mine. But, you know, me think her bottom get too big. But that is how she like it. That is not how me like it. So who is me to judge her? Me not judge her. Me just a say, you know. Anybody will want to do it. Me would have do mine. So, me hear them talk about black woman no fi do this and black woman no fi do that, and them fi leave this to this nation and that the nation. Make people them do what them want to do and for them body. Who is who to talk? It's just that, you know. Last night when me hear say a DR Spice go, me say why Spice never stay in America? That's my only thing, you know. Cause good doctor there in America. No enough people will do them body and them look good in America. It's not like say it's cheaper down there. Not really, me not think so. But you have good doctor. I know a whole heap of people will do them body here or in a Jersey and them look really nice. Some women just have insecurity. Sometimes even me, cause certain dress me don't wear cause my backside too flat. So it's okay. It still make me feel insecure. Me only do it because, you know, over the years, me think of something like if me could have get it done over the years. Some of that Jamaica, me would have do it because I feel like my bottom too flat in a certain dress, not every dress. I don't want to wear any dress when me would have want to wear. Not no skimpy, but if it's so kind to me, my bottom not supposed to look flat in there. It's supposed to have curves. And because my belly gets so big by having 4 kids, then it is what it is. You get me? So, me never shape like this when before me have kids. I'm not telling lie, I cut down on my food and I lose weight, but my bottom still flat. You know? It's still flat, so. But me not do nothing to it, you know. Me not go put nothing to my bottom. It go stay exactly how it is. But the fact of the matter is, kudos to them who want to do it. Me not have no problem with any woman who want to do them body. Make them do it for them body. Who is we to judge them? You know? And me just not like when them put the false things them out there like that and spread unnecessary rumors on people. Because you see the tongue is very powerful, and when you bring down somebody and cause judgment upon people, you know, it bound to happen. But anyway, Spice, I love Spice, you know. I love everybody. But the thing is this, when people when me really care about so much get hurt, me feel it. And me I go up on the road this morning and my heart just, cause me not hear nothing. So something do happen to her. Them hear one video this morning say our team, cause me up on YouTube I look for things, even though some of the blogger them, me I try to look for the positive ones them. Some of the blogger them just run with things because them want the views, but me I try to look for the positive ones. As soon as me hear some of them I say negativity, me just come off because me just want to hear something positive. You know, our page turn off from what there. And you know when she said she turned off her page because me actually online when she said me actually see her post online when she said she had turned off her page, and me turn to myself and I say, Spice, what you are gonna do now? God know you know. Me say, Spice, what Spice I gonna do now? Because me know say the negativity makes you turn off her page, and that me say to myself, you know, let me not say it to nobody, but me say it to myself and say, Spice, what we are going to do, Spice? You must see I got to go in our movie. And that come to me, you know, me say, Spice must have got to do some movie, or she just want to focus on some music. Them something that did not come to me. So she decided to just black out the world because she want to focus. Because that's so mistake, you know, when we want to do certain things, you know, as a leader, you know, me just want to black out everybody. Me just want peace of mind. The loud noise, everything. She'll turn off the comments. She don't want nobody bother her. So that's why I'm say, you know, take a deep breath. I just want her to be alright. And I pray this morning, you know, God, good people out there praying for her. So she'll gonna be fine. Even though, you know, you're human, so you still have that little inch of doubts there in your heart. But God answer prayers. Genuine prayers, and God knows the people out there love her. So for all the people that will love Spice, and just put up on her hand and say, Father God, just touch her heart, revive her, because our children are depending on her. We love her, and she'll gonna be okay, because we trust and believe that God will make she be okay. You know, so I feel down. We just want to hear say, you know, she alright, she alright, she alright. Me just want to hear that. But me hurt right now. A part of me hurt. Me trust God for doing work, you know. Don't get me wrong. But we are human. And we do worry about things. You get what I say? So I'm just hope and pray that Spice alright. Spice, me love you. Bless up yourself. No, you're not going to see this every day, but it's alright. Me love you anyways. But peace. And bless up to our family them and our fans them and everybody will love Spice. Big up on a nice clean self.